Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're in our beautiful closet because the mail finally arrived. So we can open this. I also received this Halloween Make It Mini, but it arrived disrespectfully late. Nevertheless, I'm still going to open it. First, we're going to start with Mini Brand's fashion. It says 18 minis to collect, but I'm here mainly for the shoes. Whoa. We have 2 bags and a collector's guide. Let's check this bag first. And we got the pink, I think, makeup bag. I can't tell if it opens. I also want to get the blue one so that they can have little matching ones. And here's the second one. This one should have the accessories. Yep. Oh! Oh, a kitty! It looks like it's a French kitty in its little beret. It can sit over here. Oh, never mind. Secondly, we have these little shoes. These are pink and white with little patterns on them. They look really nice. Honestly, I love Mini Brand's shoes because they just look so realistic, especially with the actual shoelaces. Finally, we have this tiny pink bow with a little stamp looking thing in the middle. It's got a rubber band on the back, and I'm pretty sure it's for your hair. Well, obviously. It looks really nice, but I just don't know yet what it can go with. I'll figure it out later. It's got little bee and flower patterns on it, and the stamp thing says M for Mini Brands. Next. I'm struggling to open it. Just wait. Oh, there we go. Ooh, 2 in a row. This might be lucky. Woo! Once more, there's 2 of them. These are a little bit fatter. Oh, never mind. It was just full of air. What? Oh, another kitty! Oh, they're a perfect pair. One with green eyes, one with blue. One light, one dark. They're perfect. Next, we got blue. Whoa! Okay. These are so fancy. I don't even know what I'm gonna use them for. Oops, I cut myself on something. Okay, I'm back, and my finger looks extremely interesting. Please ignore it for the rest of this video. Wow, the shoes look stunning. I love the feathers. And the see-through straps are just beautiful. I'm starting to think that these 2 balls were just made to be opened together so that we can just have, like, I don't know, besties. So nice. I love it. You know what? This just proves my point even further. Look at this bow. They can be best friends. I love it. This one's all silvery with sort of like a checker pattern, in a way. But I doubt that's what it's called. and a silver ribbon in the middle. The elastic part is much thicker and completely black on this one. And finally, we have the bag. Oh my goodness! I was right. They're literally they were made for each other. This is insane. I'm gonna put that here. Here's the bow in one of my doll's hair, with some beautiful matching earrings. And although I didn't end up with the backpack that I wanted, I've always got the one that my mom got for me. Let's open the Halloween one next. It's so silly how this one's just squished like this. You dancing. Perfect peel! Let's try without the scissors. Wait. Second perfect peel. That's a lot of layers. Oh. Whatever. Okay, so we couldn't get 3 in a row, but 2 seems lucky enough for me. Let's see what we get. Stay spooky! Always will, friend. Always will. We've got some carving tools. I'm gonna guess that this is... Never mind, I can't guess what it is. This is probably the table. Well, part of the table. Here's the other part. We got what looks like a monster cups. Huh. That's interesting. And we got the rest of... This feels like a tray. Let's start with the little bag that says Stay Spooky. This might be the resin or not. Wait! This must be the resin. And this is... I don't know yet, actually. Oh, wow, there's a lot of things in here. We got ice. A monster deco pack with eyes. And candy eyeballs. Ooh, this is probably my favorite thing ever. What? Actual candy eyeballs? Next, let's do the utensils. Ooh, a little bat. And tweezers. Huh. Oh, I just realized the bat is for this thing. I'm not gonna put it in though. Let's get the resin out. There we are. And... Yep, we got a little squeezy bottle of Monster Punch. Grape and orange. Cool. Next we have our little spooky tray, because I want to keep the cups for last. And it's got this slime looking tray. It's shiny and kind of see-through. It's got a little rim at the bottom. And it's perfect for our spooky month cups. Finally, we have the actual cups. Here we are. We have a sort of thicker jug and this taller one. Both of them have the textures that you see on the outside of the box and the shapes. These are much too big to be actual cups for the dolls, so they might stay as some sort of vase for the flowers or a jug. I've decided to keep the ingredients as if you had just bought them from the shop, so for that, we're gonna need a spooky gift bag. Let's use this baggie right here. You're gonna fold both of the outer bits and the bottom one, like so. Then open the bag and fold the corners like so. Oops. You can use hot glue gun to secure them there. Then fold inward on either side before folding the bottom back like this. Out of the remaining pieces, you can cut out a handle, or if you didn't have any remaining, you can just add holes here. I made a hole on one of my smaller bags by just cutting out a U shape near the top. And this wrapping paper will also come in handy. Ta-da! Now we can pretend we went shopping for some spooky accessories.
Here are the sneakers on a curvy and a normal Barbie. Okay, I know everyone has seen shoelaces before, but oh my goodness, look at that! It's so adorable!
And I must say, I kind of love this outfit. Especially the shoes. It looks like little wings on them.
Ooh, and it looks like she went shopping.
Oh, and I almost forgot the mirror my mom made. It is so cool, and I want to show you the front, but then it would show me in it, so. Here's the back. And here's the look with the pink accessories. They can be best friends. And look at the bow. Adorable! I hope you enjoyed today's video. The shoutouts for today go to Zen Coffee Journal, Fantastic Faulkners, and Little Hobby Heaven DIY. Thank you for supporting my channel. Bye!
空は青がかったのに今は灰色のグラデーション心は曇りのちらつき君との距離を探している時間は溶け出すチョコレート指の隙間に溶けてゆく思い出は砂糖菓子みたいに少しずつ溶けて消えてく